What it do, Sheepoo gang? Once again, I'm at work and I'm on my break. It looks like I got just a blue eye, but this eye was like red, maroon, and this eye was blue, but y'all know how it be. So, today I got me some Posole. And I quickly, when I first tried it, I quickly fell in love with it. Let me show y'all something. So it comes with, I asked for vegetables and stuff right here. This is my vegetables and things, but it comes with some shells. You could choose corn or tortilla white. I like to eat it with some bread and put in that sauce. And let me show y'all. Isn't that beautiful? The glistening bliss from the beautiful sensational taste of Posole. So what I'm about to do is, because I've been wanting this for a long time, grab it, give me some bread, rip it off. This is that bouillon bread. Gotta get that with it. Dip it. Look at it. All that flavor that's glistening inside of there. I did not pay. Give me. Amen. Look at all these flavors. The corn, the big oversized corns is maize. Maize. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. Correct me in the comments. And the meat, I don't know. Let me try it. Tastes like beef. I don't know. It tastes like beef, but before I just got some, it looked like chicken. Oh, it's beef, most definitely. I see the red. And you know, I'm only on my break.